Today, I'm going to show you how to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. From the menu, select Expense. This opens the expense form. At the top, find the Payment Account field. Choose the credit card account that was used for the purchase. Make sure you select the credit card, not your checking account, because this tells QuickBooks which card balance should increase. Next, enter the payee. This is the vendor, store, or company you paid with the credit card. Now enter the transaction date. Use the actual date of the credit card charge so it matches your receipt or credit card statement. Next, go to the category section. Choose the expense account that matches the purchase, such as office supplies, meals, travel, software, repairs, or another category in your chart of accounts. Add a short description or memo if needed, so it's clear what the charge was for. Then enter the amount of the charge. Make sure the amount matches your receipt or credit card statement. Before saving, review the payment account, payee, date, category, description, and amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the credit card charge and update the balance for that credit card account. And that's how to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks Online in 2026.